welcome back. This is day 29, 30 days, 30 opals. Today, just to see if I can get kind of a show of what I've got today. So this piece is a pretty thick color bar. It's not big. I mean, there's my pinky now. So this is going to be a really small opal when it's all said and done. But when you're collecting or you get a dig box from the Spencer Opal Mine, there are these little chips that are laying around on the ground, or they're in the dig box, that are really nice opals. And so today, on one of the last videos, I wanted to show you what we can do with those little pieces. And so this will be, is it this small? This is a bamboo skewer, and so it's about 1/8 of an inch in diameter. And I've super glued the opal to this stick so I can have something to hold on to. So we're going to use this wheel to kind of rough shape it. I think this is going to be a teardrop shape when it's all said and done. But my color bar runs from here to here, so I've got to remove the cap, and we'll shape around the outside. So we'll go ahead and get started. As we move along, hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit more color showing up as it gets a little smoother surface. So here we go. Day 29, 30 days, 30 opals. And this one we're going to just use real light pressure. Not going to put much pressure on this as we start to remove some of that rough outside from it. And that's what happens. Put just a little bit too much pressure. That did not bond very well. So we're going to go ahead and have to do something different here. All right, let's try this again. Since the super glue didn't hold, I went ahead and dopped it, and we'll see if the wax will hold. So here we go. There goes that wax. Get rid of something more of that. Okay, that's about it for this wheel. We can get some of that direct light out of here and show you maybe Some of that color might start to show. There's a little bit of wax there. It'll disappear on the next wheel. I'm going to start to ease these edges around here. That's the shape that it's going to be. And yeah, we'll let me go ahead and adjust the camera exposure. It might show a little bit better. Still so. There's maybe a little bit of it. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and move along and finish shaping and start polishing this. And as we go, hopefully some of this stuff will show a little better. I do have to have some light here to see what I'm doing with my wheel, unfortunately, so I know that's going to blow out that white color for you. I'm sorry about that. So we're going to ease this edge and then roll that top real quick. That's pretty much it for shaping, so we're going to head to the polish. These little ones, they go fast. I mean, it don't take much. And a little bit of pressure removes a lot of material pretty fast. So now we're just going to polish it up. Keep it moving. Don't want to pause with this little of a stone. Ends up with a little flat spot on it, so we're just going to keep this thing rolling. Okay, let's move to the next. Right in here. And the last wheel. Hit this cerium oxide out on the outside edge real quick. Water on it. There we go. Okay, so here we go. Day 29 of 30 days, 30 opals. This has got a lot of color in it, so we'll get it off the dop stick, take some pictures of it, and yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 30 days, 30 opals. Thank you so much.